You've been on ViSalus for how long?
Since August 27th.
Okay, and tell everybody, who you are, where you're from, and how this is starting to impact your life since you've been on the program.
Okay, sir. My name is Tish Black Hughes. I'm from the Louisville, Kentucky area, and I have had gastric bypass surgery denied 3 times, and I thought I was destined to be obese the rest of my life. I've suffered several miscarriages, and my OBGYN said it was because of my obesity. If I could get the weight off, maybe I could start a family. So I've had 2 challenges now, and I've lost 88.5 pounds. I'm down 4 pant sizes. I'm on several medications. I no longer have hypothyroidism. I'm no longer on my Synthroid. I no longer take Prilosec. I don't pop Rolaids, the Prilosec OTC, or drink Pepto-Bismol like it was going out of style. I no longer have acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, and I don't have any gallbladder issues anymore. I feel amazing, and I'm also off my antidepressant Zoloft and Wellbutrin. So I recommend anybody who has, I know I can't say that it cures, but that's the only thing that I've done was get on the transformation kit and take the bypass. And so, thank you very much.